Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain about leadership. And before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Cika Bianca Putrifani, and we will going to talk about introduction to leadership. So, leadership is the art of guiding, inspiring, and influencing others to achieve common goals. It is not merely about issuing directives, but about igniting a passion within individuals to rally behind a shared vision. Leadership transcends hierarchy, structure existing in every phase of life, from bustling organizations to tight-knit communities. The essence of effective leadership is paramount as it catalyzes progress, fuels innovation, and cultivates motivation. It propels teams and individuals toward greatness, fostering a culture of collaboration and excellence. Whether you aspire to lead a Fortune 2000 company or a local community project, mastering leadership principle is essential for success. Okay, next. And then leadership theories overview. Leadership theories serve as invaluable frameworks for comprehending the intricate dynamic of how leaders emerge, exert influence, and shape the trajectory of individuals and organizations. This theory provides a structured approach to analyzing leadership style and their impact. By exploring this theory, we can gain insight into a characteristic, behavior, and contextual factor that contribute to effective leadership. Understanding leadership theory enhances our ability to identify, develop, and apply leadership strategies that resonate with diverse teams and circumstances. This theory encompasses a wide array of perspectives, each offering unique insight into the complexities of leadership. And there are trait theory, behavioral theory, and contingency theory. Okay, next. There are key leadership theory. Delving into the core of leadership theory, we encounter foundational concepts that shape our understanding of effective leadership. This theory provides diverse perspectives on what constitutes a successful leader. There are trait theory that focus on characteristics or traits that make someone a good leader. Traits might include confidence, intelligence, and decisiveness. This theory assumes that leaders are born, not made, possessing inherent qualities that set them apart. And the two is behavioral theory. Emphasizes what leaders do, not who they are. Leaders are seen as individuals who can be trained to exhibit effective behavior, like showing support or being decisive. This theory posits that leadership can be learned through practice and skill development. And the three is contingency theory. Suggests that the best leadership style depends on the situation. Leaders must adapt their style depending on factors like the task, team, and environment. This theory emphasizes the importance of flexibility and adaptability in leadership. Okay, next. There are transformational versus transactional leadership. Discussing between transformational and transactional leadership styles reveal fundamentally different approaches to guiding and motivating teams. Each style has its strength and is suited to particular contexts. The first one is transformational leadership. a leadership style that focuses on inspiring and motivating followers to achieve more than what is expected. And the two is transactional leadership, focus on structure, tasks, and reward or punishment for achieving goals. This leadership is more about managing day-to-day activities and ensuring consistent performance through incentives. And the key difference lies in their approach to motivation and change. Transformational leaders drive change by inspiring innovation, while transactional leaders focus on maintaining order and consistency. And next, there are leadership perspectives. Okay, leadership perspectives have evolved significantly, reflecting changes, value, and organizational structure, from traditional top-down approach to modern collaborative models. The lens through which we view leadership influence how we lead. The first one is traditional leadership. Leadership as a top-down hierarchical process. Leaders are in charge and followers follow orders, emphasizing authority and control. And the two is modern leadership. Leadership is a more collaborative, and leaders work alongside their teams to achieve goals. Emphasis is placed on inclusivity, flexibility, and shared responsibility. And the three is servant leadership, as a perspective where the leaders serve the team. The leader's primary goals is to ensure the growth and well-being of team members. And then there are conceptualization of leadership. The first one is leadership as a process, the two is leadership as an influence, and three is leadership and followership. Next, okay, we will talk about the summary. Leadership is a complex interplay of inspiration, guidance, and influence, all aimed at achieving common goals. Various leadership theory offer insight into its mechanism and development, involving perspective helps shift leadership from traditional command models to collaborative servant-based approach. There are inspiring and good, diverse theory and evolving perspective. Next, there are key takeaways. And first one is complexity, two adaptability, and three situational. Okay, I think that's all for me, and see you.